Top of the morning to you. Today is day 8, the 30-day motivated seller challenge, the Flip-a-Thon. And today I plan on buying some bikes and picking some bikes up. Day 7, all I did was edit videos. Man, it was like a marathon of video uploading and editing. I still got a lot of video editing and uploading to do, but if I keep doing that, I won't be able to do any bike flips. So today, I'm going to spend half the day uploading videos and the other half of the day going trying to do 1 or 2 flips. I got a couple of deals lined up from the previous days. I got about 6 deals lined up basically from previous days. I just need to go pick up. So I'm going to cherry pick one of the best ones out there and try to pick them up. One of the situations that I'm having is also that I like to pick up bikes in the daytime. Most people are working, and so this is where the encounter happens. Most people want to pick up their bikes around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock when they get off of work. But I don't like to cycle when it's really late because I don't know my way around. So I like to pick up bikes around noon when most people are at work. So I just go pick up bikes for people that are like retired or it's a day off. So that's also another little challenge because if I had a car, I could go pick up bikes anytime. But I don't want to go super late picking up bikes areas I don't know. So the chances of me getting lost are a lot more. Anyways, I'm heading to the gym right now. It's roughly around 6:30 in the morning. I got up at 5:30. I'm gonna get some workout in. After that, hit some iron. After that, go to a coffee shop, drink some tea, and do a couple of video editing. I'm trying to probably do like 5 video editing today. And after that, I'm going to start giving offers on some bikes to line up some better deals for the weekend. I want to have some free time, and then go pick up one of the 6 bikes that I have, maybe 2. Depends on the sellers if they're available. So that's the update for day 8 of the 30-day motivated challenge. My only regret is not being able to do more deals because of the video editing. If I didn't have to do video editing, I would have picked up bikes every day, sometimes 2 or 3 bikes a day. Anyways, I'm not complaining. I'm just letting you know the reality that I'm working with. I'm loving it though, guys. I love the challenge. Whew, this is a big uphill, man. I'm hitting a big uphill right now. Humongous. Anyways, about to hit the gym, get some breakfast, and then start video editing, then giving offers, and then go and pick up a bike or 2. I'll keep you guys updated. Day 8. If you have any questions or comments, leave it below. If you want to join the Flip-a-Thon, you need some extra cash, you need to start a business, you need a side hustle, you need some capital for real estate, or you need some capital to buy X or Y, then consider downloading the new Flip. When you download the course, it's a copy and paste system. It's a smart game that teaches you how to make money today while learning the skills required for real estate investing. Okay? And you can get all that with the link below. And you all have all your questions answered by me in our free Facebook group coaching. Alright guys, thank you so much for clicking the like button. Thank you for listening. And the link below if you'd like to download or join the Flip-a-Thon. Have a great day.